What's up, y'all? It's Adrienne and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these super bomb crimps. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, let's jump right into it. Okay, so as you can see, I already did one side and it looks so good, y'all. I'm going in with my heat protectant. I'm just going to spray the hair down and then I'm going to brush the heat protectant into the hair. Okay, so I'm going in with my hairspray. I don't use a lot. I just spray a couple sprays and then I brush it in. Now when you're crimping, you want to make sure you at least hold the crimper there for about maybe 10 to 15 seconds. Once you move on to the next crimp, you want to make sure that your crimping iron falls into the groove of the crimp that you did before. Watch as I do it. Each time I do it, the crimper falls into the groove of the crimp that I just did. It makes it look neat and it makes it look uniform. You want to keep repeating those same steps until you get to the end of the hair and the full strand is crimped. I put some more clips in here, but I sped them up. I just wanted to show you guys, just so you can get the gist of what I'm saying. You're going to take the crimper, you're going to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, and as you move down on the strand of hair, you're going to make sure that the crimping iron falls into the groove of the crimp that you just did. Okay, super major key. Make sure that you're using a wax stick to lay down those flyaways on those pieces at the top. After I add product to the hair, I make sure that I brush it into the hair just to make sure that it's not sitting on top of the hair, but all of the hair gets an even amount of the product I just added. Halfway done, look at that. Oh my gosh, slay, period. So as I'm finishing up, I'm making sure that I'm going in on those front strands using my wax stick and brushing it down really good so that it looks really neat in the front. Alright y'all, so here's the finished product. This is what the crimps are looking like. They're looking real bomb. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it's good for your edges, and I'll see y'all in the next video.